Hi you guys, I hope everybody's having a good day. The focus for today is going to be geometry vocabulary, but before I start my lesson, I want to give a big shout out to two birthday boys. Happy birthday to Wyatt and Aaron. I hope you guys have the most fabulous day ever. Now to start the lesson. First, I have a few pages of vocabulary that I just want to go over with you. All of this should be review for you guys. So the first one is a point, a specific spot in space. Next is a line. A line will go on forever and ever and ever. The next one is a line segment. A line segment is just part of a whole line. Then we have a ray. A ray, one side goes on forever, and the other side, there's an end point. I like to think of a ray of sunshine. If you think of a ray of sunshine, you have the sun, and then the ray just goes one way, on forever and ever. After that, which I know you guys know this one, is a right angle. A right angle you'll see in a lot of structures. They're all over your homes. It's a 90-degree angle. I like to refer to this one as the strong angle. Next is an acute angle. I like to say this is your tiny acute angle. It's less than 90 degrees. After that, I'm sure you can guess what angle it is, the obtuse angle. I have you guys go to the obtuse angle. It's the large angle. It's greater than 90 degrees. Just a few more. We're also going to venture into our triangles. This is an acute triangle. An acute triangle has 3 acute angles. After that, we have the right triangle. The right triangle has 1 right angle and 2 acute angles. And that's what makes it a right triangle. The final one is our obtuse triangle. The obtuse triangle has 1 obtuse angle and 2 acute angles. Those are going to be your vocabulary terms for today. I encourage you to review those over and over again until they're stuck in your head. The activity today isn't a creative activity. I absolutely enjoy this one. What I want you to do is to take all those terms and drawings and to create a picture out of them. I have a couple examples of pictures that I created this morning to show you and maybe inspire your picture as well. The first one I created is a picture of mountains. So if you look here, I started with my sun. I have 2 eyes with points. Then I have my smile as a line. Then I have rays going off. I use my birds as obtuse angles. And then I have my triangles down here. I have an acute triangle, an obtuse triangle, a right triangle, and acute angle. Then finally I have my cloud. I have points as the eyes, and part of my semicircle is a line segment. So this could be one example. You could do anything you want for your picture. You can do maybe a swing set. You can do mountains like I did. You could maybe throw in sports. I know a lot of you guys like sports and video games. Get creative with your picture. If you can't think of anything, you could always create an abstract picture. That's what I did for my second one. Here's my abstract picture. I used all my terms, but I just put them around my page and I made them look really pretty. So take a look at this one and see if you can point out all the angles and the lines and the triangles. So that's going to be your first activity for today. Now your second activity activity, I encourage you to get outside, or you can stay right indoors. And I want you to take a walk around the neighborhood or around your house and try to find different examples of the vocabulary terms that we just went over. I know I already did this today and I found so many examples. Like I mentioned earlier, I found a lot of examples of right angles. So the first thing I picked out was this cool little clock I have. This is actually made of buckeye wood, which since we're the Buckeye State, I figured I'd mention that. What I really noticed was the little clock hands. The little clock hands are actually raised because you have the point here in the middle and then you have the line. So I thought that was a good example of a ray. And then I have this picture, and in this picture it says Landrum, my last name. And when I was looking at this, I found so many examples. Take a look at this R. When I look inside the R, I see actually an acute angle right here. And then all over the picture, I see right angles. Here's an example right here. I hope you guys enjoy taking a walk inside or outside and looking for all those examples of points, lines, rays, angles, and some triangles as well. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. Once you're finished with your picture, I would love for you guys to possibly post it in the comment area if you're able to do so. I'm also on Facebook if that's easier for you to reach out for me. My name on there is Kendra Dalton Landrum. Go ahead and do so. I hope to hear from you guys soon. Please keep asking me questions and feel free to message me about whatever you want. I hope you have a great day. Bye, you guys.